Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Multiversus error code 30005 on PC, and let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to just go ahead and find either Epic Games or the Multiversus app itself on the desktop. I'm just going to go with Epic Games because I have it here. I can't see Multiversus, but anyways, yeah, go ahead and find it on the desktop, and then you're going to right click on your mouse, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to select properties. Now from properties, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the compatibility tab, and then you're going to go ahead and check two boxes. The first one is going to be run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and the second one is going to be run this program as an administrator. Now once you do those two things, you can go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK, and then you can go ahead and open up Epic Games or Multiversus directly, up to you, and then run the game that way. Now that should fix the error code, and another thing you guys can always do is go ahead and just restart your PC, and you should also be good to go. Now once you do all of these things, you should be good to go and the error code should be fixed. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.